The Starlink Mini Wall Mount is expertly crafted to be compatible with both new and old Starlink Mini pipe adapters, ensuring a secure fit on various roof types, including tiles, asphalt, and flat concrete. With its 360-degree horizontal rotation capability, this wall mount allows for effortless adjustment of the dish antenna, ensuring optimal signal strength from any angle. Constructed from rugged steel and aluminum alloy with a corrosion-resistant coating, it is designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, including UV exposure and heavy loads, ensuring long-lasting performance. Installation of the Starlink Mini Wall Mount is straightforward and requires only a few screws, making it an easy task for any user. The kit includes a Starlink Mini bracket, 2 screws, a roll of sealing tape, and a bag of network cable snaps, providing all the necessary components for installation. Manufactured by DaierTek, this mount is a reliable choice for enhancing your Starlink Mini setup, combining durability and functionality in its design.